been a very difficult time for us as a country, and we have come together, recognizing our historical responsibility as those who fought for the return of our country back to democracy, to walk up and stand in good conscience and declare again that our democracy must be rules-based. We cannot run a country where the democracy is based on arbitrariness. So we need to return to those very fundamental rules in our Constitution, in the Electoral Act, in the laws, norms, and values and ethos of our country that define what it is to be a democratic country. The labor union represents the ethos of democracy, and so do we in the civil society. So in good conscience, and in remembrance of the many comrades before that fought to stand up for this democracy, we have come together in oneness of voice with Labour to speak again at a time like this for our country. Our country is indeed facing quite a lot of challenges post the last elections. It is our desire, our hope, and our urging to see that the institutions that represent democratic governance rebuild this democracy and ensure that it stands. We call on the judiciary, particularly as we move into the space of conflict resolution, to address the crisis of our democracy and to restore our country and its values back to dignity.